Paddy, mate, what are we saying?
I'm actually kind of nervous to hit this at the moment. There's a few people down here, and if we're chucking some T-Boggerinos, I don't want to be hit people. So we'll see how she goes. It's gonna turn on.
Security guards are coming. A 1 minute instead. Yeah, good call. Bag. Where's my camera bag?
Switch up, easy setup, easy pack up.
The secchi over there doesn't look too happy at us. We've been here for probably like 10 minutes, maybe, not even. Yeah, so kind of rush and get out of here.
Alright, security guard's on to us, so we're heading off because we think the cops have been called because he's been on the phone the whole time. So we're heading off to the next spot now, so we all don't get caught.
Do like manual on, do like manual, you know manual?
Manual?
Have you ever done a manual before and you'd be like, wah bop bop bop? Anyway, good, hit up there and see. Francis is gonna break him the way down. I went to chuck the go in. Ready? Ready? This is gonna be a transformation. Ready? And that's gonna go into the GoPro. Ready? We'll do it again. Oh my god, literally transitioned. Oh my god. Now we're about to bomb down undisclosed location. Alright, let's go, go. You know, it just gets to that time of the day and you're like, I want to send it. But then you don't want to send it and you're like, cool. Let's chill.
Here we have Jigsaw jump, medium. About to hit it. Give me a leak.
You bro?
And I think I just completely G'd out my shock.